Yeah, well, once it's on anchor, the current will actually spin it around.
No, it's...
Go with both,
You already anchored?
Yeah, drop anchor. We're just trying to find a spot. You get a good spot.
Might be busy there as well.
Yeah.
On the Gulf Coast.
That could be.
I don't see helicopters and airplanes.
There's not many helicopters and airplanes too. No.